IKEA! We're in the parking garage. Andrew's eating a sandwich. Then we're gonna go in and look for a desk. And some drawers. And maybe some shelves. And we're just gonna look at a bunch of stuff. But they don't have puppies.
I mean, we gotta get out of here by 7:30.
Okay.
Gotta be like at our car.
Well, it's almost like 6 o'clock.
I know.
So, oh, your sandwich smells so
good. What?
I had a sandwich too, but I already
We got 2 hours. An hour and 50 minutes. Excuse me.
Why do we have to be out of here by 7:30? I think it's gonna take an hour and a half to get to Plato's?
No. Because I want to get home around maybe 8 and see how much money we have from Plato's so we can hit up there.
True.
And go do that.
And we have to feed Charlie.
And we gotta feed Charlie. So we'll run home before we get Plato's to feed Charlie.
Okay.
Okay.
So we still gotta run by the bank.
Alright, well, you ready?
You're done? We'll eat.
I know. I don't want all the sandwich right now. I had enough to walk
I ate
through.
the whole sandwich. Okay, going.
See, I ate a lot of chips.
I don't need
I shouldn't have ate the chips first. That was my bad.
Oh, I ate all of it.
Excuse me. You forgetting something?
How about we just go to Best Buy now and ignore all of this and just buy me a new camera?
Excuse me?
Um,
You're vlogging right now doesn't mean you need to upgrade.
but it does, because this one sucks. I can't get my whole face.
No, because you want more drawers. Your drawers are more important than a camera.
Are they though? Are they really?
Yeah. You see how baggy yours are now? Fucking can't stand those things. You realize I'm gonna punt those and break those once we build this other one. Those things are gonna get fucking
That'd be so
destroyed.
much fun. Hey, escalators! Okay. That's nice. Oh, it's so warm. That's literally what it looks like on top.
We are here.
Look at the greenhouse. This is so cute. What is going on? I like that one. I want that one. Yeah, but we went downstairs.
Did we?
Yeah, remember? Because we were on the bottom floor when we were at the bathrooms. Everything else is upstairs.
No. We need the bathrooms upstairs.
I don't like this cone. Everything gets in the way. I can't smell anything. I'm just stuck in this cone. I'm gonna turn my head. Stuck in the cone. Make sounds. Hit the floor. Can't walk right. I think I hit the door.
Good boy. You can get up there.